Everyone, quick video. Took the time to make this planter sorts, I guess. It's roughly 3 feet by 6 feet, 2 feet high. Pretty straightforward, really, but a couple of quirks. Kind of interesting. I went here and used my Festool Domino to go and actually join these frames first. And then I also reinforced them with screws. There's going in and here. And then I use these strips to actually join the frames aside. Each frame to the other frames on the sides. And then other thing kind of interesting is, I've seen some of them they use like pressure treated plywood or other things. I went, since I really didn't feel like wrestling with a full-size 3/4 inch sheet of pressure-treated plywood, I went and bought some fence pickets, pressure-treated, 6 foot by 6 inch, which actual means it's more like 5/8 thick by 5.5 inches wide. Cut them down and then edge glued them. Worked out pretty well, I think. I still have to do a few things. I have to level the corners and then square it up a bit. I've got a little flexibility in it, and then the last thing to do is put some liner in it, and then of course fill it up with dirt. It takes like a cubic yard, which is quite a lot, something like that. I haven't done the actual math, but that's roughly kind of what it is. And then one other thing is the wife once she saw one where they had metal corrugation. I mean, it's decorative. It doesn't really serve any function because the inside panels are what, do the actual hold the dirt and whatnot in. So I'll probably do that later. Just screw them on or nail them in, something like that after I cut them down. Anyway, that's about it. Hope you enjoy this. Just a short video about this planter. Thanks.